Hello, welcome to day number 21. Today is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day that you are here to see together with me what we're going to build. So we're going to build a very amazing website. We're building on top of what we created yesterday, but it will be from afresh, and we are going to add nav, but also we're going to add a couple of things within the site. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's Hmm. So here, okay, video with content. Here we said we have header. So today we are going to go with Navi. I think that's my mic is loud enough because I realized that yesterday, little bit, very not. So I'll try. Yeah. Sorry for that. So we have home, which has to be a link. So we have an ordered list, have link, and we have what? Links, index. Hmm. Don't code. I could do that if I was going to be doing my app because I couldn't code this, but yeah, I'm doing it still, so I should follow the rules. Yep, index. The index should be having the uh, uh, so last. Hmm. Good. So I think I have my nav ready there. I can also have my code there, and done section. I have my section there, which have so we're dealing as index will be my home page. So page one be the welcoming. Like that. So we have section and we have footer. Good. The footer we can have a lot, but remember now we just have the I think at this level we have that. What else should I add here? Probably I would leave that for let's see. So yeah, we have this particular HTML basic which we have been doing a lot of them, and we managed to come up with that in just 4 minutes, which is a lot. So let's go add our HCSS. we add our style.css, trying to control of thing. And instead we are using the previous almost the same as what we did yesterday. So we start by closing all the padding and margin below. Margin and padding is done. Font family page. You can get creative with your own font. Or you have display which is great. Also link on the body. I'm done. Background color. Oh, color. I want to try this. That very common. Good. So that will be my main color today. Also, it will be for text, right? Let's see. Good. Our text alignment center. This way. Good. So we are having there. We go there. I don't need it. Yep. Having our section. The section part, I'll go color, margin, max, right, so the max, in height, in height, hey, in height, I keep with the 7 H. What am I saying? Yeah, okay, and then go with padding and margin. And to go with hmm, in my folder. Goes pixels. Need to put a shadow on the bottom. Shadow below. So now there's that. But if I define now the color, right, because shadow should be right. Oh, you see there's kind of fading down. Yeah, the max white, good. I need 100 second. Right, because that's, I think that's a mobile. That's in that. That. Mhm. So the content can be a lot of good, good. I'm going now to the section is done. Footer, which is going to have almost the same with the header. And you see here, you can either collapse words or right, background color below 7. Sorry for that. Yeah, background is working. I need color of the palette right. Then I need to send the text element to star. One more thing I need to do. I need to do what? Some padding with kilos. Good. Top and bottom has been taken. Good, but now we have these texts that are not actually need them. So I'll come back here. I say the. So I'll say because I want them all the list within the header have a certain behavior. So header the inline. If you remember, then I can do other thing. I can say which I don't need. Good. I have that. Declaration here will do nothing. Remember, we did that. So I will go now to link and the so the line which was underlining is gone. In a minute. And that's good. Then I was hmm. good, but yeah. But I will need also the same thing here for over. Hmm. Yeah, I think that's a good point with all that. Yeah. So I think with the time we have, this can be also good, very good starting of your site. You have your header, you have your footer, and you have all what you need to do so that you're. If you observe here, I'll do something quickly here to show you necessary. So this can expand, but it can't go beyond the marks. That's where this comes in. If you remember, we looked at overflow, which you can tell it to do some other stuff. So listen today. Thank you very much. Remember to share, subscribe, and comment it, but also try these things out so that you can be able to practice as we go. It's the best way to learn by doing, not just watching, but try it out. Just see if it works. If it doesn't work, ask, but also question yourself. Thank you very much. Until next time, this is Simplex Complexity Code with me, Ray.